This foot in front. Yeah. This is right here. Okay. So if I do this here and he pushes me a little bit, now we're not there. Then immediately you see it's there. It's the same thing here. It can be in any position. What is kept is the relationship must be kept. Now you understand?
No.
So the relationship, touch me again. That's it. Watch. On the touch here, there's a move. And there is a move. This is a move. This is a move. These two moves must be unified. Can you see? Not unified. Watch. Unified. Come. Touch him here. Yeah. Go lower. Yeah. Put your hands on. Feel that? Feel that?
Yep.
Not unified. But this move, unified. You see that?